Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys the secret to making the most delicious honey buttered fried chicken, and it's actually super easy to make. First, I'm gonna place about 1 pound of chicken into a bowl. You can actually use any cut of chicken that you like, chicken thighs, chicken breast, but I'm using chicken tenders. Now we're gonna make the batter, and we're gonna make it in the same bowl. We're not gonna dirty up any of the other dishes because we wanna keep this simple and easy. We're gonna mix in half a cup of flour, half a cup of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and last but not least, ice cold water. The reason we use ice cold water is because this actually helps the chicken get super crispy. Now we're just gonna mix everything together until it's well incorporated. I know some of you guys are thinking, but where's the salt? Where's the salt? Where's the salt? Just wait, the salt is gonna come in the sauce, okay? This consistency of the batter is exactly what I'm looking for. Now we're just gonna fry up our chicken. You could use any type of oil. I'm using vegetable oil, but you could use canola, peanut oil, any type of oil you want. Oh my God, that almost exploded. We wanna bring our oil to 300 degrees before we start frying our chicken. That's perfect right there. 300 is what I'm looking for. All right, the oil is ready, so let's fry these up. We actually want to fry this up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I know what you're thinking, Pat, that doesn't even look golden brown. But don't worry, this is where the secret comes in. I've been really holding out on you guys, but I really want you guys to make the best possible fried chicken at home. So this is the secret. We're gonna be double frying. So we're gonna crank up the heat on our oil to 375 degrees, and we're gonna fry those up for about 1 minute. So the first fry is to actually cook the chicken. The second time we fry it is we're looking for that golden brown color. This is exactly the color I'm looking for. Nice, rich, golden brown. Once all your chicken is fried, we're gonna go ahead and make our honey butter sauce. To a pan, we're gonna add in half a stick of butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Remember when you guys were all complaining about no salt? Now we got the salt from the soy sauce. Now on medium heat, we're just gonna melt down the butter and wait until everything gets well incorporated. The smell is ridiculous. You guys are gonna love this dish. This just smells absolutely ridiculous. And we want this on medium heat so we don't burn the soy sauce or the sugar. All right, I think everything's well mixed together. Smells amazing. Now we're just gonna pour all of our sauce over our chicken and give it a good toss. To the editor, maybe do this on slow-mo. Dude, listen to that crunch sound. That's amazing. I can't wait to eat these. Oh my God. Look how amazing these look. I can't wait to take a bite out of it. This looks absolutely amazing, and it's my favorite part, the taste test. Cheers. Oh my goodness. These are so dumb. Oh my goodness. Wow. Woo! I'm telling you guys, the crunch, the flavor, the chicken, the juice. This is the only fried chicken you absolutely need. If aliens came down to try this, they would literally take me with them. It's, you guys need to try this. Please let me know in the comments how you like it. If there's any recipe you have to try, it's this one. If you guys like simple, easy, and the secret recipes that I have in my back pocket, make sure to subscribe, like. I'll see you guys in the next one.